All right, we are moving on to part 2 of our Organelles project. So you saw it at the beginning, but you really should only be on this Google form if you already did yesterday. If you didn't do yesterday, it's okay. Just make sure you go do that now and then come back to this one. So assuming you've already done part 1, we are on part 2. So you've put your name in your homeroom, and we are going to be moving on. So the first thing here is we just have our project check-in. So the first question asks you, what is your cell for your project? And this should be the same as yesterday. Now, I will tell you if you're finding that like you're really having trouble with the one you picked yesterday, shoot me a text or come to office hours and I can tell you what to do. But otherwise, just write what you wrote yesterday. If yesterday you were working on a basketball team, write basketball team. If you were working on a restaurant, write restaurant, whatever it was. Go ahead and type that in. All right, the next one says, which option are you doing for the project? So you need to check, are you doing the Google form, creating a song, rap, or poem, creating a Google Slides presentation, creating a drawing, comic, or poster, or other? So please check the option that you chose. Okay, now it says if you're doing a creative option, check all the organelles that you've already included in your project. So 8 organelles needed. If you're doing the Google form, you're just going to check the first box that says I'm doing a Google form, so this does not apply to me. If you're doing a creative option, but you have not started it yet, which you probably should have, but if you haven't, you're going to check the second box that says I'm doing a creative option, but I have not started it. And then if you are doing creative and you have started it, go ahead and check all of the organelles that you've already included. So maybe you've only talked about the cell membrane, just check cell membrane. Maybe you've talked about the ribosomes and the vacuole, check the ribosomes and the vacuole. Go ahead and do that and then move to the last question. All right, this one says, if you are doing the creative option, will you be able to share it with me or send it to me by the end of today? So you're going to check yes, you're going to check either I'm doing a Google form, so this does not apply to me, or you're going to check yes, I will be done by the end of today, or no, I need more time and we'll turn it in later this week, or if you have some other thing you want to tell me, put it there under other. All right, we are going to be moving on to the second part of the project. Even if you are doing the organelles, even if you're doing the creative option, you still need to move to the next page. There's going to be a new video of me there explaining what to do, so go ahead and move on to the next